Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are replacing a part that broke. This was the Z1 hood struts that I ordered in summer of 23. It is now summer of 24. And I went to go open my hood to change my oil last month, and the hood would not stay up. And then I examined that the hood struts were broken. Stick around, I'll show you how I got replacements and how to fix them. So I don't know if you just want to use a 2x4. I'm using a level here just to keep the hood propped open because, as you can see shortly, the hood struts broke off, and it looks like it's the plastic here is broken. It cracked and then broke off this little ball that's on the truck. We'll go over to the other side and see. This one, I mean, the bracket's completely broken off. There is no plastic bracket. There's the ball there that it bolts onto. The top seems to be fine. I don't see any cracks here. I didn't see any cracks on the other one on the other side. But so it's that bottom plastic. I don't know if it just gets so hot under the truck, under the hood, that it starts to melt or break. But you can see that this is completely broken off. That one was cracked over there. So I reached out to Z1, said, hey, I purchased these probably not even a year ago, and they're broken. Is there anything y'all can do to help with that? And they said, yep, still under warranty. We'll send you our new and improved replacement struts. So that's what we've got here. And I think you can see the biggest difference is these are not plastic. They are some type of metal, and looks like I can already see some grease in there, which is great because there's a lot of movement going on when you're lifting the hood. So these do look a lot better. I'm interested to see how these are going to connect, because on the old ones there was a plastic clip that you could remove. I wonder if these just pop on without needing the clip to keep it secure. Z1, of course, always sends us some fancy instructions that always say, scan this QR code. I'm hoping I can just snap these on and won't require any instructions for this. Okay, to get the old one off, you may just need a screwdriver. That's a smaller one, and this is an even smaller one. You'll just need something to pry off this plastic piece that is right here. I think I can get it with just this normal size screwdriver. There we go. So there's this plastic piece here, this plastic piece, but there's this metal clip that keeps this secure on those nubs. So didn't have to worry about this one because it's broken off. Still gonna keep this in the same position. Hopefully this will work. Okay, so I am seeing a clip down here. So let me just slow that down for you. So this is on this end of the strut. You can see there is a little bit of a, now it's starting to rain. You just press on this with your thumb, and then there is a clip in here that you can take out. I think this will help us get that secured on there. Okay, just had to use a little bit of pressure to secure that on, and now I'm just going to reinsert this in, spin that around, and now that is on. Okay, I'm going to have to pick up on the hood to get this installed just right. And it went on pretty easy up here. No clip or bracket there, just snapped right in. And I can already feel a difference in how easy this is staying up, but I'm still having to hold it up a little bit, so I'm just going to keep that level where it's at to keep the hood up while I'm working on the other side. So first, take a screwdriver, put it up here in this clip, and remove that. Next, I'm going to undo this little bracket. That slides down and out. Put this on. Reinsert the clip. And then pick up on the hood just enough that I can pop this on. There you have it, all installed. All right, this is a fix for a fix. So replace these struts with the extra long struts because I wanted to be able to lift my hood up higher. They ended up breaking to where I couldn't lift them up at all and had to get replacement ones. Thanks to Z1 for making that easy to get these replaced and not have to purchase new ones. Thanks for changing the product up so that it won't break in the future, hopefully. So if you order those XL hood struts in the summer of 2023 or shortly thereafter, I would just double check that yours aren't cracking or melting and reach out before they go outside of the warranty. I think they said 18 months. So hope you found this helpful. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and share along with your friends. I'm trying to get to a subscriber count in my head by Christmas, and would really like to see this channel get monetized so I can do some more upgrades and do some more helpful videos for y'all. Till next time.